Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So from the title of this video, you should know that I'm going to be doing a video on how I melt my lace, plus a 2-month update on this hair. And I received this hair 2 months ago from a company called Unice Hair. I also did a video on that, which I will insert right here in the top right hand corner for you. So if you haven't come across that video, I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. So before I go on any further, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel and turn my post notifications on to always know when I upload new content. For the first time I reviewed this hair, I don't think I went into much detail about this hair, so I'm going to let you in on it now. So they sent me over their 13x6, 150% density, and this wig is in the length 24 inches and the texture is body wave. And by the way, I did bleach this hair before I started recording. So first things first on how I melt my lace is that all I do is put makeup on top of the lace so that it can blend in with my complexion, and I will also add it onto the wig cap also to give it that more scalp-like look. Then after that, I'll add 2 layers of the Got2b spray just so I know that when I place my unit down, it's going to be extra secure and snug. Then I'll tie my band around and leave it on for about 20 minutes or so. And then by that time, the lace has already been melted, and then I'll proceed to go on and cut the excess lace off. And by doing this just makes it appear more like a natural hairline. So I'm going to go in with my Got2b spray once more, and I do this because I want to make sure that this lace is not going to lift throughout the day. So once I'm done spraying, I'm going to go in and tie my band once more just so that it's going to be extra melted. So guys, at this point I was thinking, should I do a middle part, should I do a side part? And at the end of it, I just chose to do a side part because I don't think I did a side part hairstyle on my channel yet, so here it is. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I have done a side part? Should I have done a middle part? Like, let me know in the comment section below, like, what style suits me best, a middle part or a side part? But at the end of it, I think a side part looks really cute. So once I'm done perfecting the deep side part, I'm going to go in with my flat iron and flat iron the hell out of the top of my head because I want to make sure that this hairstyle is extra sleek and flat and laid. And literally just like that, guys. Can someone please tell me where the lace is, because you cannot find it, and that's period, okay? Like, I was literally shook myself. I could not detect where the lace was. So to make the top of my hair even more laid, I'm going to go in with my olive oil super control gel, and I'm going to apply that and then get my brush to slick it down. And also by doing this, this just takes away and tames down any flyaways. And some of you guys may be thinking, oh, why don't I just invest into a hair wax stick? And I literally have. I went to the hair store and I bought one. So you will be seeing me using that in my new upcoming video. So guys, I'm going to show you a little trick that I do. So whenever I over bleach my wigs or have any balding in my wigs, I go in with my eyeliner and just touch it up, and this saves you your coins and your time. So try it. Like, if you ever have, you know, any balding in your wigs or you accidentally over bleach your wigs, just give it a go and you'll see for yourself. So this is what it's looking like so far. I kind of liked it like this, you know, without no baby hairs, just natural. But I was like, you know what, let me try a little bit of baby hairs, not too much. But first I'm going to go in with my straightener and flat iron the hair. And I tried to get this hair bone straight as possible, but you guys, your girl got tired. So yeah guys, with these upcoming clips, you're just going to be seeing me tackling this hair and trying to get it straight as possible. But do keep in mind that this hair originally came a body wave texture, but for today's video I wanted to wear it straight. So after all that hard work straightening the hair, I'm going to go in with my olive oil mousse and apply that to the top of my hair. And I do this why? Because sometimes when you add a lot of hair gels and edge controls, it can leave the top of your wigs looking crusty. So that's why I do put the edge controls and then I put the hair mousse after, so that it gives it that soft look. So to achieve my baby hairs, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel, the green tub, and just do minimal baby hair. Okay guys, so after I'm done doing my baby hairs, don't mind me, I always take long when it comes to the end of doing my wig installs. I just like to make sure that everything is perfected. So that's why you're seeing me going in with my hot comb again, just, you know, making sure the top is flat. So I think that my part was a tad bit lighter than my actual scalp, so I'm gonna go in with my Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn and apply that to the part. And by doing this just made the part's shade more similar to the colour of how my scalp actually looks like. So yeah guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's very detailed video on how I melt my lace wig. And if you did enjoy, please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave any comments in the comment section below on how I did. And also let me know in the comment section below as well if you enjoy longer videos from me, and I'll make sure that I'll get on to doing that. But I do want to thank you all for supporting me on my journey. I do see you all and I appreciate all of you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.